We're going to go into several slides here about using the PEMF for cell and organ detoxification. Detoxification, or detox for short, is one of those buzzwords you hear all the time. It means the elimination or removal of toxic substances from the human body. We live in an increasingly toxic environment. While we may not find ourselves at the scene of an accidental chemical leak, all of us are being chronically exposed to toxins day after day. Most of the food that's provided to us has been grown with pesticides, injected with hormones, or included in chemicals. With the increase in pollution all around us, the water we drink, the air we breathe has become more toxic. In addition, chemicals found in detergents, shampoos, deodorants, etc. also have found to have chemicals and harmful ingredients that, especially like lotions and shampoos, deodorants. The toxins are accumulated in our body over time and have been shown to have a negative impact on health. For example, heavy metals, which is the typical toxins in the human body, have been confirmed as one of the main factors in the development of tumors. According to researchers, we can find up to 40,000 times higher concentration of heavy metals in tumors compared to healthy tissue. With increasing amounts of toxins invading the environment, people realize that detoxification is just what they need earnestly to mitigate the harm of toxins. Now you can see these pictures of kidneys over on the left. You've got a healthy kidney on the left. Then you have a kidney with a tumor on the right. How does the body detox? How can we detox the body, get these metals, these GMOs, poisons out of our body? There are several systems and organs in our body that bear the burden of removing toxins, including skin, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, liver, kidneys, and colon. Start off with skin is the first defense of environmental pollutants. Particularly sweat can take toxins from inside getting out through the skin. Then we have blood. Blood can carry the toxins from other tissues back to our heart and then send these toxins to the lung. Our mouth and nose can be regarded as filters that keep a decent amount of toxins, dust, pathogens out of our body. Lungs can produce mucus, which tend to be coughed out together with the toxins. In addition, we can expel CO2 and other waste gases through exhalation of breath. The liver can pull toxins out and break them down so that these toxins can be excreted via our kidneys and digestive tract. 200 quarts of fluids move through our kidneys every day. Imagine that, 200 quarts. There's 4 quarts to a gallon, so that's 50 gallons of fluid move through our kidneys every day. Waste and toxins are extracted from that and then expelled as urine. Our colon can absorb the water and minerals left over after the rest of our digestive organs have taken what they need. The remainder are solid waste and toxins that will be pushed out in fecal material or poop. How does PEMF help increase our body's detoxification? PEMF therapy can increase the motion of ions and electrolytes within these self-cleansing systems of the body. This movement can stimulate these mechanisms to rebalance and repair themselves whenever necessary. One of the biggies is ATP. Adenosine triphosphate is a high-energy molecule which is considered by biologists to be the energy currency of all cell and bodily functions. ATP regulates body metabolism, and helps with detoxification by transporting chemical energy within our cells. With low ATP, these purification and elimination systems of our bodies are not working at optimum level. In other words, they're unable to handle the load of incoming toxins. So when you're using the PEMF, this is pulsing. Remember, there's multiple ways where you create ATP. First of all is glucose synthesis. You need oxygen, you need a bunch of other minerals and chemicals in the body to perform this. But with the PEMF, it's kind of like you're pulsing energy through. So instead of the cells having to go through the four-step, three-step, four-step process to take glucose into ATP, then it's energizing the cells. And through energizing the cells, it's going to create division, and then you're going to create more ATP faster. So I know that some of you might have looked at that and was bored with it, but of course it's amazing how the body produces energy. And of course the PEMF can help it. It can go in, it can reduce inflammation, and then also, you know, whenever you have inflammation in the body, all of these formulations of the ATP synthase. And of course, you know, we talked about in this video, we talked about citric acid or vitamin C. You talked about the B vitamins as far as supplying and storing energy. So these are supplements that we need to take. And a lot of times we don't get the proper supplementation just through standard diet. Our vegetables that we grow, unless we grow them in our own garden and, you know, and put other supplementation in the ground, then we don't get the proper supplementation. So how PEMF helps increase the body's detoxification. Through the increased motion of ions and electrolytes, PEMF can raise ATP levels and then help these organs and systems increase their energy by up to 500%. PEMF therapy can also affect the charge of the cell membrane and open up the membrane channels. These channels are the doors and windows of our body cells. By opening the membrane channels, nutrients are able to enter the cells easily and quickly. Waste and toxins is more readily eliminated from the cells in this manner. In this way, PEMF therapy can rebalance and restore the optimum function of our natural detoxification system. Now, the protocol for detoxification. Now, you can place this in your organ area as far as your liver, your kidneys, your lungs. Primarily, there are several programs to utilize in increasing your body's ability to detox. The recover mode is one of them, alert mode, and then manual mode of 12 hertz to 14.2. These programs will increase the energy and processes in the cells. When detoxing, remember, you need to be taking binder supplements that toxins can adhere to and that will transport them out of the body through waste. These include chlorella, bentonite clay, modified citrus pectin. The pectin that comes from like oranges, grapefruits, also apple, but it's you can find it in, if you search it. Eventually we'll have this stuff on our website for everyone. Activated charcoal and also zeolite. Those are 5 different binders. Also remember that the angstrom CalMag supplement will increase the cellular metabolism and efficiency. Use these modes listed above throughout the day with the ring off, placed on the body or next to the body for at least 1 to 2 hours. When you do it at 100%. Remember, do not use the alert mode in the evening near bedtime or the 12 hertz, 12 to 14.2, because these frequencies will stimulate you. They will energize you to where you won't want to go to sleep. So have a blessed week, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for attending the webinar. Bye-bye.